The ancient Egyptians didn't just build pyramids. They encoded mathematical principles into stone that we're still struggling to understand today. The Greeks didn't just philosophize. They bridged the gap between spiritual wisdom and scientific observation in ways that our modern compartmentalized thinking has forgotten. But here's where it gets fascinating. From the precision of Mayan astronomy to the impossible engineering of Easter Island, from the advanced metallurgy of the Incas to the sophisticated urban planning of the Indus Valley, every major ancient civilization demonstrates knowledge that seems to have appeared fully formed without any clear developmental timeline. It's as if they all inherited their wisdom from somewhere else. The ancient Greeks called it the Golden Age, a time when gods walked among men and knowledge flowed freely. The Egyptians spoke of the first time when divine beings established the foundations of their civilization. Hindu texts describe the Satya Yuga, an era of perfect knowledge and harmony. Different names, same story. A lost source of advanced understanding. Modern archaeology keeps pushing back the timeline of human sophistication. Göbekli Tepe in Turkey, 11,000 years old, built by supposedly primitive hunter-gatherers, yet more architecturally complex than anything built for the next 6,000 years. The Antikythera mechanism, a 2,000-year-old analog computer that tracked celestial movements with precision we didn't achieve again until the 18th century. We've been taught that human progress is linear, that we've evolved from ignorant primitives to enlightened moderns. But what if that's backwards? What if ancient civilizations possessed a unified understanding that combined what we now artificially separate as science and spirituality? The Greeks understood this. They didn't see a contradiction between studying the stars and honoring the gods, between mathematical precision and mystical insight. They knew something we've forgotten, that true knowledge doesn't come from choosing between reason and intuition, but from integrating both. The question isn't whether ancient civilizations were primitive or advanced. The question is, what did they know that we've lost? And more importantly, are we ready to remember? The answers aren't hidden in dusty museums or classified documents. They're encoded in the monuments, the myths, and the mathematical principles that surround us every day. We just need to learn how to see them again.